Hi everyone, welcome to Stampin' Storage. We are super excited because we are going to share some organizational tips with you this week because we are celebrating
our Sweet 16, and we're super excited to celebrate it here, but we're also excited to celebrate with you.
And we're going to focus on 16-minute organizational sprints. So the goal of this is just to get in the habit of doing a little bit of organizing every day. And sometimes it gets really overwhelming. We don't want you to think about this long process. Just focus on 16 minutes a day. And we're going to share a couple of different tips of things you can do. And some of them will be in 16 minutes. Some you might have to carry it into the next day. But again, just commit to
16 minutes a day. You got it.
So the first thing we're going to focus on, well, actually, we should probably introduce ourselves. So I'm Michelle with Stampin' Storage, and this is Tatiana
with Stampin' Storage.
And she handles our social media marketing. I work in the marketing department as well. So we're just going to have a lot of fun with this week, I think.
Yeah, we're super excited to share all of our tips with you.
So Tatiana, tell us, what is the first thing we're going to focus on organizing?
This is a big pile of sentiments, and we are going to help you organize them.
And y'all, this is my actual sentiments, so it's really nice when I can bring it here and have everybody kind of help me organize. So we're going to just walk through the process of what we're going to do first, and then we'll actually show it. But sentiments are really awesome to have pre-cut, because if you're ever in that short time frame where you need a card last minute, say you kind of forgot about a birthday coming up and you're like, oh, I need that. You can basically create a card fairly quick if you have some of those pre-cut pieces. And some people just like having pre-cut sentiments. So how do you organize those so you can find them as quickly? So we're going to walk through steps. We're going to use our accessory trays to kind of separate them all out, keep them organized in a drawer cabinet. And again, it just helps you find those quickly, keep them safe and organized so they don't get ruined. I did have all of these, I will confess, in one big drawer mixed in. Not the best of ideas. Tatiana saw it. So we're going to just kind of clean this all up and show you how we would organize our sentiments.
Yeah, we're super excited to share with you.
Let's get going.